Now, Bachelor of Financial Engineering is one of the best degree courses to pursue in Kenya. But for you to get a job, there's some things you have to do. I got someone who asked whether the course is marketable at the moment. He was admitted to Jomo Kenyatta University for that degree course, and he had just scored a B plus in KCSE. He's wondering whether the course is marketable or not. Now, according to me, more than 80% of the courses offered in Kenya are not marketable. They just offered to fill the spaces for so many students who get C plus and above. They're not marketable. Financial engineering, the aim of this course is to ensure that you get skills, get knowledge, to go and work in the financial sector, to work in banks, to work in the stock market, research firms, audit firms, and many other institutions that deal with finance, especially the one that deals with calculations. But if you rely on the course alone, you graduate, you don't do any professional course, it will become very, very difficult for you to get a job in Kenya. At the moment, the country or the world is embracing AI, artificial intelligence, and the courses which surround artificial intelligence, courses related to IT, software engineering, computer engineering, computer science, those are the courses which are very marketable. Finance courses, most of them are going to be replaced by AI. So for you to get a job, there are some things you have to do, especially if you are doing financial engineering. The first thing you should do is to ensure that you score a good grade, let's say first class or at least second upper. While in the university, identify a marketable professional course that go together with financial engineering. And what are the courses you can pursue? The short courses or the professional courses? Now, one of the courses you can do is Certified Fraud Examiner. This one is a very good course. If you want to go to the audit section, you can do Chartered Financial Analyst course, CFA. It is very, very marketable. You can do ACCA if you want to become an accountant. ACCA, because ACCA is like CPA for Kenyans, but it's international. Once you have that ACCA, you can go to Dubai and work there. You can go to USA and work there. You can go to any country, it's recognized. Even CFA is recognized all over. Now, if you do any of these three courses, you'll find it very easy for you to get a job in any institution in Kenya. Once you graduate with a second class upper and above, few days, few months, few years, you find that you're not getting a job, just go and pursue masters in finance and do a PhD, then become a lecturer. But the safest route you can take is to go abroad and study there. so that you can get a job in those countries. Because in Kenya, right now, to get a job is very difficult. Even those who pursued law, architecture, nursing, even medicine are finding it very difficult to get a job. So more opportunities are outside the country. And for you to be there, you have to be very aggressive. You have to pass in your undergraduate. And what most graduates don't know in Kenya is that once you graduate, you don't just choose your job. You don't choose where to work. You can be a financial analyst and end up working as an accountant, end up working in the procurement industry, end up even in KDF. You can plan, but the world will plan for you. So once you graduate, don't say that there are no jobs for this course. Just go and start with any available opportunity. There are so many opportunities online. Besides that, I told you that AI is dominating the world. While pursuing that course of financial engineering, you can also go and pursue a short course in artificial intelligence. Once you do that course, go online and start looking for opportunities. There are so many remote jobs you can do online, even if they are not related to financial engineering. So, in short, there are several jobs, but it depends on where you want to work and how flexible you are. And even if you're not going to get a job, you can employ yourself. You can eventually, if you do a course related to auditing, you can start your own auditing firm and get clients. It's possible. You can go to Kesra, you study about tax, and you become a tax consultant. There are so many job opportunities available. It's upon you to be clever enough and position yourself well. So, financial engineering is not badly off. There are so many places you can work, and as you know, there are thousands of companies which deal with accounting, which deal with financial matters. So that is advantageous for you. And as you know, accountants, auditors, financial managers or finance managers are among the highest paid professionals in Kenya. So it all depends on how you position yourself after graduation.